wonderful good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the group exhibit Hydrogen Fuel Cells Europe here at Hanover Fairground in the year of 2023. We started here in 1995. Now we are here all over the years, and we see that there has been a huge development, and I'm actually happy to be here in the public forum and interviewing all the people behind the technologies, behind the companies. I'm also welcoming all our online guests. We are live streaming from the fair. If you missed any of the talks, you can scan the QR code, access our YouTube channel, our Instagram. We are all on the socials and rewatch the interviews. My next speaker will be coming on stage very soon. We'll be discussing the powering the hydrogen future, solutions for automotive power generations, intralogistics, and drones. I have the representative, the head of product line from IE Power, Intelligent Energy, Mr. David Fields. A warm welcome, David.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, David, it is lovely to have you here representing your company. First of all, who is your company?
So, Intelligent Energy were founded in 2001, manufacturing hydrogen fuel cells in Loughborough in the UK. Although prior to that, our founders have been developing fuel cell technology since 1988. So, although we're 22 years old, our fuel cell development goes far beyond that. Since then, we've had the privilege of working with a number of sort of global companies in aerospace. We've worked with Airbus and Boeing. And in fact, with Boeing, we were one of the first manned fuel cell flights. We've also automotive. Peugeot Citroën, you see on our website, has been very early hybrid technology, as well as operating 12 London taxis during the Olympics in 2012. Since then, we've worked with BMW, driving AGVs at Leipzig, which has been a strong program and a success, and now a step into materials handling. But also as a business, we do a wide range of products, so lightweight products starting at 800 watts for UAVs, portable power products, IE Drive delivers power for automotive and heavy duty. And then we've got IE Flight, which is lightweighting and up to the megawatt for aviation. So as a business, we do believe we've got a wide range of power ranges for all applications.
Yeah. I want to highlight, this is just one company. It's not all exhibitors here at this fair, because it seems like we are an automotive. We also support airplanes. We do taxi for the London Olympics. So you're everywhere, right?
We've got a fantastic range of engineers at our business. I mean, everybody within IE is engaged in delivering a sustainable, clean product. And whether that is for UAVs, whether that's delivery from Walmart in the US, although that's not us, but delivery from Walmart, they're looking at it to online and pipeline inspections, whether it's logistics, whether it's portable power in construction, right through to heavy duty, high power generation, and aviation. Yeah, we pretty much do everything as a business.
So we figured that your portfolio has a wide range, and we figured which applications you do, which markets you're in. I want to go in a little bit more details about what products you actually offer.
So we have 4 product families. IE Soar is our lightweight UAV solution. That enables you to give 4 to 5 times the flight time that you would do with standard lithium batteries. IE Power, which is the low-power air-cooled solutions that I look after, that enables people to move on MHE over to hydrogen or portable power generation for construction sites. And in fact, in the UK, we're probably one of the leading suppliers of fuel cells into the construction market. IE Drive is our high-powered, evaporatively cooled fuel cell technology for automotive, heavy-duty, trucks, buses, rail, and also power generation, which we have an agreement to deliver multi-megawatt power generation in South Korea. And then IE Flight is lightweighting of that technology for, obviously, like I said, aviation, and that is our next line in development.
So your fuel cell systems, can you compare them to the market competitors in terms of, let's say, energy efficiency?
I mean, the physics of fuel cell is 50% heat, 50% power. So how you actually integrate that would depend on obviously what our partners do. But in terms of sort of what we do, sorry, can you ask the question again?
Well, I asked about if you can compare your fuel cell systems to others, and you're right, you just said like, well, it's basically the same energy efficiency.
But I believe as a business that nobody actually offers the full range of products the way that we do, from the low power right through to the multi-megawatt systems. I believe
that is true.
As Intelligent Energy, we're the ones capable of delivering anything that everybody needs in the world.
Yes. And speaking of what everyone needs in the world, so we are here at this fair, and we have different representatives here. We have some from the politics, we have exhibitors here, fuel cell systems, bipolar plates, electrolyzers, so mainly along the whole value chain. And sometimes I think we forget that we are here also because there is a reason why we want to focus on hydrogen as an energy carrier, which is decarbonization. And you mentioned that your company actually did research already in 1988 regarding hydrogen. So I asked this many companies, and I really want to know, what's your vision behind making the planet more green and also having green hydrogen?
I have a personal vision, but obviously then there's the business.
Tell us your personal vision, please. I love that. Please, please, please. It's important.
So I have two young children, 12 and 15. I was told many years ago by somebody within the industry that we borrow this planet off our children and we should be giving it back at least in the same condition, if not a better condition than what we've actually taken it in. So I'm a strong believer in that. But you know, as a business, our CEO regularly says that we are working in the best business in this world. You know, we are developing hydrogen fuel cells which are delivering clean, sustainable energy, and it's the future of this world if we want this planet to be sort of reduce carbon emissions. So our CEO feels lucky. We have 240 employees that feel lucky. We are, you know, in a very fortunate position in the job that we do.
Yeah.
And it's something we love doing every day.
Yeah. And is this a message that you also bring across your customers?
Customers, partners. I think we tend to see the sort of the people that we work with as partners. You know, we're both engaged in trying to develop hydrogen fuel cells and a hydrogen solution into the marketplace. Yeah. So it's about sharing that knowledge. It's about training our partners up to be as knowledgeable as we are within our products. And it's about sharing the responsibility out there as well. So that we're engaging with our partners' customers to ensure that they get the best experience out of this, and they want to not just buy more products, but they want to tell the people they know that these hydrogen fuel cells are great, and this is the path that we need to take. So we just need to make sure that happens.
And I agree on that, even though that if you're selling a product, I think you're also providing a service along with it. And especially, and I figured that's here in the hydrogen fuel cell business, it's not just, oh, here we go, we have a contract, we deliver, but it's more, we learn together, we are in this field together. There's supply and demand for everyone here, but there's still a lot of things that we need to figure out to be more efficient, energy-wise and also cost efficiency.
Yeah, there's a lot of work we all need to do, and you know, we all need to pull together as an industry. You know, it's a collective responsibility of everybody in this market to be able to make sure that we sort of drive the market forward and become not just more efficient, but we give the sort of the best experience out to the end user.
Yeah.
We pride ourselves on a strong product support team that help me and help the rest of the product managers to be able to deliver the best experience for the customer and be on the call, whether it's 6 o'clock in the morning because it's in the sort of Southeast Asia to 10 o'clock at night because it's on the west coast of America. You know, we're there to support our customers and help them down the path to a clean future.
And what I like is that you actually have proven cases, because you mentioned all the customers that you're working with already. It's not just, if I have a customer, then I would be a very good service integration partner. It's just you already do have lots of customers.
We do. We've got a very strong customer base. I've mentioned BMW already, but we've got strong customers, Teijin in Japan, Whole Green Air that are here today from South Korea, but also in the US. We've got strong partners in the US, BWR Innovations, are delivering a solution for domestic homes in California and other sort of areas of America where there's intermittent grid. So,
Sure.
and it is I keep referring to partners, but they are partners because we're doing this together.
You make it sound so easy because I know along the years there have definitely been struggles, and hydrogen has kind of, especially when there was a hype regarding batteries, it was a little bit difficult to play with hydrogen, especially in the automotive sector. So you make it sound so easy, but can you give us some maybe some insights how maybe also up and downs you were going through along the journey?
There's been a lot of, bumps along the road. I think everybody has seen many false dawns over the years. I myself have been in sustainability now for a number of decades, and nothing's ever such a smooth start. You're going to get incidences where something will happen to a customer, and that will set the market back by months, maybe even years. And that's why you've got to make sure that when you engage in this market, you engage closely with everybody involved in the chain to make it work. Because if you don't get that chain working properly, you're not going to get a good experience. And without that good experience, you're not going to get other people buying into the industry.
Yeah. And also being very transparent at all times.
It's honesty.
Yeah.
We're the experts. We're not perfect. We don't know everything, but we are the experts, and it's upon us to make sure that we pass our knowledge on to both our partners and the end customers, so they get the best experience out of it. They're looking at us for that information, and hopefully we can deliver it the best we can.
Yeah, and I think it's lovely that you say that we are partners, so we share our knowledge, everything we find out that we want to share with you, so we can all grow together. So I saw that there are many people nodding in the audience. I'm just, if you have a question, just raise your hands and I can come down to you and take your question. As you heard, I have an expert here on stage.
Oh, what's that?
But I figured already, it's right after lunch, so it's okay. You can take the questions definitely to the booth.
I mean, at the end, we're right behind here anyway. You'll see, our stand, and you'll see the product lines on there. So I'm sure somebody in 10 minutes' time, when, I have got a question, you've got the different heads of product lines behind there, and our CCO there today as well. So we'd be happy to answer any questions that you've got.
Well, yes, and if you have ever wondered what a hydrogen-powered drone looks like, there is a drone at the booth that you can have a look at. I was very amazed to see a drone with the tank. This is quite unique.
It is, and I joined the business in 2018, and the first time I saw a fuel cell powering a drone, I was, even I was, why would you do that? But if you think of the sort of the 10-15 minute flight time that you get from lithium batteries, and the frustration, particularly the end users get when they're doing inspection, or they want to offer a delivery service, or they want to be in the air much longer because a construction site such as HS2 in the UK, you've got to map a large area at at any one time. Fuel cells unlock that capability because the energy is obviously stored within the hydrogen itself on the onboard cylinder, with the fuel cell delivering the power. And it's able to sort of hold 4 or 5 times the amount of energy on board that a normal battery can do. So these people are able to unlock flight times over 1 hour, so they can go out there and they become more efficient. They can gather more data. They can deliver further. They can really unlock the potential of the drone market. And it's not my product line. It's Andy Kelly's product line. I'm rather envious sometimes when I hear some of the people that he's working with, because it is a fantastic sort of market.
Yeah, it's definitely something also to brag about. But I would like to know in general, David, so what is your outlook for the future regarding your intelligent solutions, but also what would be a successful fair outcome for you?
It's the first time we've done the fair since I've been with the business, and I joined in 2018. So it really has been a fantastic opportunity for us to sort of showcase our wide range of products. And like I said, 800 watts right up to multi-megawatts, and sort of every application in the middle. So for us, it's very exciting. It is about sort of now future partners out there coming to us, understanding what we do, and sort of being part of our journey as we sort of grow. We see ourselves in a new factory soon. We see ourselves sort of expanding our production capability.
Oh,
so,
wow.
you know, it's a very exciting time for the whole of the fuel cell market, not just intelligent energy. So, you know, we just want people that are here today to come and talk to us, see what we do, understand what's unique about our product compared to the competitors out there, and what we do as a business to help, you know, support what people want to do.
Yeah. And I see that you are very passionate, and you also shared that you have a personal commitment. So I really like that, and I think it's not only a job; it's really driving a vision.
Yeah, and to be fair, it's not just about me. That sort of that drive comes from our chief executive. You know, he's as I said already, he says it's the best job in the world, it's the best company in the world to be in, and the best industry in the world to be in. And I think, as I said, we're 240 strong, and we're growing, and everybody that works within intelligent energy carry that same passion. It's just something that is ingrained within the business, and everybody's fortunate to be part of.
It is quite touching, and I really like when companies integrate, have a vision, and not just jumping on the bandwagon and making business along the hydrogen value chain, but it's actually following something for the better. Yeah.
Absolutely. Like I said, I think it's the best job in the world, personally. I think it's the best industry in the world. But I think it's nice also from a personal perspective.
Yeah.
You know, talking to my grandchildren in the future, said, "Granddad, what did you do when you worked?" And I saved the planet.
Oh. That was David Fields. Thank you so much for giving the insights, for showing the people behind the company. I think this was really lovely chat here.
No, thank you.
I hope to see you here back next year.
Fingers crossed.
Yes, please come back.
Thank you for the opportunity for this as well.
We need people like you in this field. So thank you again. And if you want to chat with David in private, or want to see a cool hydrogen-powered drone, then visit them at their booth D29. It's right behind the public forum. Thank you so much, David.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.